Today I'm going to tell you how to put your prices up in your cleaning business every single year. Let's go. Hi, it's Kelly, it's Made in Business, and today we're going to talk about how you put your prices up in your cleaning business every year. I'm going to tell you what I do in my businesses that helps me put my prices up without that awkward conversation and worrying about what you're going to put in a letter or an email or any of those things that freak you out about putting your prices up. So stay tuned to the very end of the video and I'm going to give you a little something so you can do it yourself in your business moving forward. So over the past couple of weeks we've been going over financials, and when you've started to work out your charge rate, or maybe you've looked at your costs and you've looked at your business as a whole, and you might be thinking, I need to increase my prices, I'm not making much money. And I see this all the time in cleaning groups that I follow / stalk. Lots of people, what shall I write? How should I present it? Does anybody have a script? Does anybody have a template? Because what do I do in my business? What's the big secret? What is it that brings me price increases year after year? The answer is a terms of service, my friends. Known to as a terms of service or a terms of business. A term of service, which is what I use in my domestic business. I have a terms of business for my commercial businesses. They protect you from so many things, from clients adding the can you just, from breakages, it gives you an insurance policy, it gives you discipline policies, it gives you a million policies that will come off the back of a terms of service. One of the things I have in my terms of service is a statement line that says prices will be increased on the 1st of April every year, and that clients will be informed in the March of what the new pay rate will be. I'm not asking, I'm not requesting, I'm not trying to put a negotiation on the table. This is the rules of my business from day one, and it's in the terms of service. When somebody contacts my business for a quotation, be it through the app, the website, social media, on the phone, however it's done, they are sent a copy of what's included in our clean or a deep clean, if that's what they've called for. We send them some information about our company, and then we attach a terms of service. Then we go to see the client. And in the home visit, we go over everything that needs to be done. We know what your shower made out of, what the towel made out of, etc., etc. Then when we get back to our office, we send over the email and we send another copy of our terms of service. When the client or the potential client accepts and we start to work from them, we have a communication diary that we keep on site with our clients. And in the communication diary is
a hard copy terms of service.
So by this stage, my client has had it 3 times. It's documented on our service. They've had it 3 times. It doesn't really give much wiggle room. If clients have got a problem or they have an issue, they will come back to me. I have never had a problem with increasing my prices once it's been in the terms of service. There is no voodoo. There is no scripts, there is no awkwardness. It is the terms of service of your business. The great majority of cleaning business owners I speak to, who I do mentor and coaching calls with them, it shocks and astounds me how many of you out there do not have a terms of service. If you do, tell me in the comments below. How long have you had that? Does it work for you? And has it solved problems? If you don't have a terms of service or terms of business, please tell me in the comments why. Because I don't understand why you wouldn't cover your own arse as a business owner and cover the arse of your employees if you have teams, and a terms of service does all of this for you. Now, if you have stayed here to the end of this video, firstly, thank you very much. And secondly, here is the thing I am going to give to you for being here for this long. The first 10 people to comment below and send me their email address, you can DM me either through YouTube or you can DM me through Maid in Business, will get a free copy of my done for you terms of service. This is the exact terms of service I use in my business, and it is amended as such that all you've got to do is add your logo, add your names, fill out the blanks, and then you are ready to go with a terms of service that is legal and will protect you, your ass, and your business. So today's the last video in our finance series. So moving on to August, what is it that you want to see? I have over 10 years corporate experience in sales and new business development. I also have 10.5 years of building my own cleaning businesses into a group that now operates without me. I'm not really one for tooting a horn, but I want you guys to use and abuse my knowledge. This is why I've set up this, so I can be useful to you cleaning business owners and help you progress and grow your business and get what it is you want, whether it's something to package for sale, whether it's something you're thinking of franchising, whether it's, you know, something you want to pass on to your children. Let me help you. Please, again, in the comments, tell me below what you'd like to see throughout August. You can message me on Instagram as well. So thank you very much for being here. I will be back here next Wednesday with some brand new content and a brand new topic, which I will announce on Instagram. Until then, you have a very good week. Bye-bye.